I watch the mind rise and fall like waves upon the sea. Thoughts were loud then disappeared, but something stayed as me. Beyond the pool of doubt and fear, the quiet truth stood clear, not born of form or memory, not bound to time or years. When the veil of thinking thinned, a deeper light came through, not separate, not divided, yet steady, whole and true. I stand in isolated unity, free but still aligned, moving through the world with grace, no chain upon my mind, no unknowing known as one, no distance left to cross. I walk the earth untouched by weight, yet present in all I am. Desire faded into calm, the striving fell away. What I searched for everywhere was never far or delayed. Strength arose without force, love without demand. I did not leave the world behind, I learned to understand. The mind became a gentle tool, no longer ruled the way. It served a higher rhythm now, clear in what to say. I stand in isolated unity, rooted yet unbound, a silent center holding still while life moves all around. Nowhere knowing known as one, no question left to prove. I act within the flow of truth with nothing left to lose. No escape, no separation, no rejection of the whole. I move with purpose, clear and calm, a servant of the soul. I stand in isolated unity, present, free and whole, walking softly through the world with light in full control. No unknowing known as one, the path and purpose meet. I live as truth made visible in every step I take.